Hello everyone, I welcome you all. This is Lata Awad, working as an assistant professor in the Department of Chemistry at KVN9 Arts, Commerce and Science College, Nasik. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss about the triterpenoids. In triterpenoids, we are discuss about the biogenesis of squalene from two molecules of farnesyl pyrophosphate, and we also discuss about the cyclohexanol and lanosterol from the squalene. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss about the triterpenoid. The starting material for the triterpenoid is squalene, which is consists of C30 units. It is formed by the condensation of two molecules of FPP unit joined by tail to tail. The triterpenoids and steroids are produced from squalene precursor. The squalene likes symmetrical and unsymmetrical hydrocarbons, and it does not contain any good living group like as pyrophosphate. All double bonds in squalene are trans to each other. The first structure of squalene. So this is the structure of squalene, or it may be also written like that. So the numbering of this structure is like that. This is 1, carbon number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23 and 24, and this one is 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 and last this methyl is 30. Here you can see all these double bonds are trans to each other, that is same priority group are opposite to each other. All same priority groups are opposite to each other. So now we will see the biogenesis of squalene. So squalene is a condensation of two molecules of FPP. So the first structure of FPP, here OPP. So in first step, loss of pyrophosphate take place and we get cation, which is known as farnesyl cation. So in next step, addition of second FPP molecule take place to this farnesyl cation. These double bond attack on this carbocation and we get new tertiary cation. Here a positive charge, here OPP and here two hydrogens. In next step, loss of proton with formation of cyclopropane ring and we get here hydrogen above the plane, here methyl above the plane. In next step, loss of OPP and we get here positive charge. In next step, Wagner-Merwin 1,3 alkyl shift take place, which is generate the new cyclopropane ring and more favorable tertiary cation. We get here this methyl group shift to here. In next step, the bond cleavage produces alkene and favorable allylic cation, and we get in next step on treatment of NADPH, we get squalene. So this is the structure of squalene. Now we will see the biogenesis of lanosterol from squalene. So the first structure of squalene. So in the first step, by using O2, FAD and NADPH, the selective epoxidation of this double bond take place and we get and this moiety is called as squalene oxide, or it is also called as 3s2,3 oxidosqualene. In the next step, cyclization take place in this way, and here opening of epoxide take place. Here a positive charge, and this cation is called as protosterol cation, or which is found in animal fungi. So the next step, loss of proton alkene. There is loss of this H+, this methyl group shifted here, this methyl group shifted here, this hydrogen shifted here, this hydrogen shifted towards this carbon, and we get this is lanosterol. So this is all about the biogenesis of lanosterol from squalene. Now we will see the biogenesis of cycloaterenol from squalene. So the first structure of squalene. So in the first step, on treatment of O2, FAD and NADPH, selective epoxidation of this double bond take place and we get squalene oxide. This is squalene oxide. In next step, cyclization take place in this way, and here opening of epoxide take place and we get this cation is known as protosterol cation, which is found in plants. So in next step, loss of H+, which leads to the cyclopropane ring with Wagner-Merwin 1,2-hydryl and 1,2-methyl group shift. So this is minus H+ forms here cyclopropane ring, and this hydrogen shifted on this carbon atom, this methyl on this carbon atom, this methyl on this carbon atom, this hydrogen on this carbon atom, and lastly this hydrogen on this carbocation carbon atom, and we get and here a cyclopropane ring, and this is known as cycloaretenol. This is all about the biogenesis of cycloaretenol from squalene.